Mobile analytics data. There are a variety of stakeholders in the mobile sector, including manufacturers, platform providers, operating system, OS, suppliers, market data providers, tool providers, and, of course, application developers and testers. Each stakeholder's needs provide multiple factors that have an effect on the mobile industry. We need to understand those factors to put a solid strategy on how we're going to perform our testing. One important source of information for mobile app developers and testers is mobile analytics data. Mobile analytics data can provide valuable insights into the user experience and help identify areas that need to be tested. It can also be used to measure the success of an app and track user engagement. Collecting mobile analytics data is essential for understanding how users interact with your app. By understanding what users do and don't like, you can make changes that improve the user experience and increase the likelihood of success for your app. This data can be collected through a variety of means, such as web analytics, app store analytics, and in-app analytics. The following factors are what we as mobile application testers should be aware of and familiar with to contribute effectively to test planning, discussions, and test analysis. The business implications of the distribution of platforms such as Apple and Android, application downloads per platform, the quantity and distribution of operating system versions. Examples are iOS 15 and the latest iOS 16 for iPhone, or Android 12 and the latest Android 13. The market distribution of various device types such as smartphones and tablets, including variations based on geographical location, differing screen sizes and resolutions, the various input methods such as keyboards, and camera types such as front or rear-facing cameras. There are several sources of information for these factors, both free and commercial-based. One example is StateCounter Global Stats, a free site that provides internet usage trends. They track which browsers are actually used most in order to measure browser usage accurately. This means they take account of how frequently browsers are used and also track multi-browser usage by individuals. If we take a look at recent data for the worldwide browser market share, we can see that the Chrome browser, shown as the green line at the top of the chart, makes up almost 70% of the market share. Safari, shown in the gray line further down on the chart, comes in second at around 18%. Other sources can be the operating system vendors themselves and other third-party sources such as Google Analytics. The mobile analytics data is used to select a device portfolio for test execution that is suited to the target market. A device portfolio is a collection of devices that are used for testing an app. It can include both real devices and virtual devices. By using a variety of devices, you can test the app on different platforms and with different screen sizes and resolutions. Tests are performed on this portfolio to see how the app performs on a device, depending on the importance of the device. Data regarding devices and their specific characteristics, if any, might also be used to develop tests geared towards a particular device type. For example, a heartbeat sensor such as the one included in Apple's smartwatch may necessitate different test cases. So to summarize, we outlined the importance of mobile analytics data in understanding how users interact with an app. By understanding user behavior, app developers and testers can make changes that improve the user experience and increase the likelihood of success for their app. Additionally, the data can be used to select a device portfolio for test execution that is appropriate for the target market and to design specific tests for devices with unique features. In the next lesson, we will talk about business models for mobile applications.